Hey y'all, today we are in the media room. Let me turn some lights on in here. Yeah, that light is kind of yellow. I need to change that one out. But anyway, today is dark and gloomy outside. I would much rather be in a bed, but I really wanted to get this video out. So I wanted to do a refresh in this room. I like to spend a lot of time in here during these months. Come in here and watch movies. Lately, I've been spending a lot of time in our room, but I want to get this room refreshed. That poster came down in the middle, so I actually ordered some more posters. I'll show you guys that. But and then this one is coming down as well. I also wanted to restock on the snacks here. I already started eating these clusters. These are pretty good. I did show these in my Aldi haul, so they're pretty good. I haven't tried the other ones yet. But yeah, I need to do a lot of dusting in here, vacuum, wiping down surfaces, figure out what I'm going to do with that desktop right there. I've been having that since like 2015 or 16 or something. Don't use it at all. I think it still works. We put it back to the factory settings because Jordan wanted to try to play his games on there, but I think it runs kind of slow. So, but anyway, I'm going to restock the fridge as well, vacuum, just wipe down surfaces and just give this room a major refresh.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, coach, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you. And not deny it's a coast. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, man, no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me, not true, no be ghost right. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl, and my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you.
I don't restock this area often. I definitely wanted to just put some snacks in here and a few candy options. I definitely try to keep the candy out of here because Jordan's room is right next door and he'll be in here all night stealing candy. He's already been in the stash, but I did pick up a few items to go in this area. I played around with this area for a while, but the items that I had just didn't go well with some of the containers that I purchased, so I decided to put the wrapped candy back in those plastic containers that I did get from the Dollar Tree. So it depends on the type of snacks that we have. I'll just switch things out from time to time. These display frames were DIYs. I'll make sure I link the original video down below. I actually would prefer frames because I like to switch out the posters. I wouldn't say often. This would be my first time switching them out, but it is hard trying to take that down, and then you have to retape the poster to the back of the display frame. The ones that I just got, I did purchase the digital file from Etsy, and I just printed them out at Walgreens. The ones that was up there before, those came from Five Below, so they were a whole lot cheaper. But with the digital file that I purchased, I was able to get multiples, so I can actually go and switch those out from time to time if I want to. But Love Jones is definitely one of my top favorite movies. A lot of items in the media room are DIYs, including this sign that I'm fixing. My husband and son were playing basketball in here, so they knocked that down. I just had to glue it back. And I'm also obsessed with candle lamps right now. I got this one off of TikTok Shop, and I really like the concept of this because I am known for leaving candles burning, and I know that's a dangerous thing, but sometimes I just forget. So just putting this under this candle lamp and setting the timer is definitely a game changer. So I have about 3 or 4 right now, and I'm definitely loving these. And before I go, I want to show y'all how I keep our games organized. So I keep them down here, and I threw away the boxes because the boxes do take up a lot of space. These bags are available on Amazon. I'll have them linked. So I cut off the name of the game off of the box and just tape it to the bag just to keep things organized. They come in about 3 or 4 different sizes. So for the smaller pieces, you can put them in these smaller bags. I don't have one for Trouble because I do need to order the bigger bag. So Trouble is not in the bag. I did put the pieces in the bag just so we won't lose them. But if you guys have a bunch of games, we don't play games the way we used to. I'm trying to get that back in the works, but the kids are getting older and doing their own thing, but I still want to make sure we implement family nights because that is very important to me. So yes, organizing your games, I think this is a great way to eliminate all of those boxes, and y'all know they do start getting torn up after a while when you've had the games for a while. So these are a great way to organize all of your games. Some over here as well. I don't think they have bags big enough for operation because y'all know this is a board inside of here. So yeah, we're just going to keep this one in the box. And All of these other ones is like puzzles and stuff. I don't think I'll be taking those out of the boxes, not anytime soon anyway, because these are fairly new games, so the boxes are still in good condition, and these are all the playing cards. So the smaller ones work really good for the playing cards, just so you can keep all of those organized and they don't get mixed up. Now I'll be changing up a few items in my laundry room. I have these items sitting on this tray, but it was starting to get really nasty collecting dust and just from items leaking, and I just wanted to make sure I put something in here a little more functional. When I first did the laundry room makeover, I knew taking out all of that wire shelving was going to eliminate our drying space. We do not put all of our clothes in the dryer, so I definitely wanted to add some items in here that can be functional enough for us to be able to still dry some of those items, but I wanted those items to collapse, so when they're not in use we can still move around in here. As you can see, this laundry room is very narrow. For the space that we lost as far as the drying space, I made sure it was something collapsible. I also added this Billy bookcase in here since we only have one linen closet in our house. Friends, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As you can see, I've been trying to post at least twice a week. I'll try to keep this up as much as possible. I don't have a set posting schedule besides on Sundays, so if I do post an extra video, it'll probably either be on Thursday or Friday, so you guys should be seeing this one on Friday. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see.